But to go a level deeper, if you're craving sweets late at night and you eat a otherwise clean diet, then the real culprit is usually something you might not expect, which is not enough calories. So we really need to design our lifestyle and our pantry craving sweet or salty foods. Here's why. Let's get to it. So today we're discussing cravings. I want you to know that willpower, although strong, is not going to win against this. So we really need to design our lifestyle and our pantry in a way, including our refrigerator, in a way that is going to suit us, in a way that's going to be in our favor. We can't have junk laying around, obviously. But to go a level deeper, if you're craving sweets late at night and you eat a otherwise clean diet, then the real culprit is usually something you might not expect, which is not enough calories. See, not enough calories means that at the end of the day, the body's trying to preserve itself. And if you've only had, say, 1,200 calories and you're used to having 2,000, then the body's going to look for something, maybe like ice cream, that could be sweet, could be salty, could be sweet and salty. But the main factor is actually the caloric density. And so whenever you have a lot of calories all at once, the body can, within a few bites, get back to what it feels like is a safe place. Now, you might be intentionally trying to lower your caloric intake. This concept's really important, so you're not hard on yourself. You're not wondering, oh, why am I having this? If you're feeling literally hypoglycemic, which is low blood sugar, then you can test that with a blood sugar meter that you can wear in your arm. There's a lot of different ways to combat this, but what I would say is eating enough protein in every single meal is good for every body type, every oxidation type, like we've talked about in the previous video. And this is going to ultimately shape your personality as you know it, as you experience yourself, whether you experience yourself as calm or moody, cranky, or something in that direction. This is today's tip. This is the vibe today. I hope this was helpful. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more things like this, just comment, like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.